I have people asking me all the time here in midsummer, where is all this pollen coming from? All I see is bees bringing in pollen. Well, I'm here to tell you, this right here is one of your major contributing factors. Honeybees love crepe myrtles. Ooh, there's a little native pollinator. Little emerald colored native bee, but honeybees are not the only thing that love it. There's a different one right there. But when this thing is in full bloom, as you can see, of course here I am at 11 o'clock in the morning, so the majority of it's already been taken. You can still see bees working it though. It is a major pollen contributing source to your hives getting pollen bound in the summer. Especially if you or your neighbors or some folks that live in the city, everybody and their mother's got them in the cities. And the bees will work them like crazy. I was trying to get a picture of a good close-up of that young lady with her, well, this stage in life, probably the old lady, with her pollen bags full, but well, trying, but not having much luck. Try over here again. Oh well, that's the tip. Mostly the white version is the one they work like crazy. I don't know if you can see that one way up there, but she's got bags full of pollen. Don't know if they really work the red one. We can walk up here and see. Of course, we planted this one when we first built the house, so, and we weren't keeping bees at the time, but wife just had to have a red one. Can't say I really see any honeybees working the red one. Got a pink one out front. Neighbor down the road has a couple. So we are blessed with pollen during the summer. That's a quick tip. Guys, hit that like, subscribe, share the videos. Thanks for watching.